What do you say when calling 911? Do you know the exact words to use in an emergency situation?
Actually, most people don't, they just panic and hope for the best, but there are specific phrases that can help you get the right assistance quickly.
That's right, and one of those phrases is "I need help." Someone is hurt, it's short and to the point, and the operator will immediately know what to do.
Today, we're going to explore some essential English phrases to use in emergency situations, and I think you'll be surprised at how often they're misused, even by native speakers.
That's right, and we'll cover at least 3 key phrases that most learners get completely wrong, including in case of and on the spot. Are you ready to learn how to use them correctly?
Absolutely, and by the end of this conversation, you'll be able to use them confidently in your own conversations.
Let's start with "in case of." Can you give me an example of how to use it in a real-life situation?
Sure, for example, in case of fire, exit the building immediately. It's a warning or instruction that's given to prepare for a possible emergency.
That makes sense, but what's a common mistake that learners make when using this phrase?
One common mistake is using it to talk about a specific plan or intention, like "I'm going to the store in case of I need milk." It should be used for hypothetical or uncertain situations.
Here's the weird part. What if you need to think on your feet and come up with a plan on the spot?
Ah, great transition. On the spot means to do something suddenly, without planning or preparation, like "I had to give a presentation on the spot when the boss asked me to."
That can be challenging, but what if you're feeling nervous and want to wish someone good luck? What phrase can you use?
You can say "break a leg," which is a way of wishing someone success, especially before a performance or a challenging situation.
That's a fun phrase, and I'm sure our listeners are getting a kick out of learning these new expressions.
Exactly, get a kick out of means to enjoy or find something amusing, and it's often used to talk about hobbies or activities that bring you joy.
It's great when you're on the same page as someone, meaning you agree or have a shared understanding, and that's especially important in emergency situations. Here's the weird part. What if you need to stop what you're doing and call it a day?
Ah, that's a great phrase. Call it a day means to stop what you're doing and go home, often because you're tired or it's the end of the workday.
It's also important to know when to ask for help, and that's where the phrase "in case of" comes in again.
Exactly, and being able to use these phrases correctly can make a big difference in an emergency situation.
Let's summarize what we've learned so far. Can you give me a mini story using some of these phrases?
Sure, here's an example. I was at the theater when someone had a heart attack, and the paramedics had to act on the spot to save the person's life, but thankfully, everyone was on the same page and worked together to get the person to the hospital, and afterwards, we all decided to call it a day and go home.
That's a great example, and now it's your turn. Today's challenge is to use one of these phrases in the comments below. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to practice your English skills every day.
If you enjoyed this conversation, subscribe for daily English practice, and join us tomorrow when we'll be discussing more essential phrases for travelers.
Tomorrow, we'll be talking about phrases to use when shopping, including "how much does it cost" and "can I get a refund?" Don't miss it.